Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are discussing today the stocks that we are already discussed the last time. So we'll go through the how the stocks are performing, and I will discuss a few more stocks also today. And I am displaying what are the stocks I am displaying for the buy and sell, and I have put the stop loss also. If you have time, continue with the video. Otherwise, you can skip and just go over the. You can look the chart and you can take your own decisions. Okay. So first stock we discussed the McDonald. You remember it was moving to this side, but unfortunately it is not moving this level. Whether you can exit the stocks or just wait tomorrow. So if it is going down, exit. The stock was also today opened very high, but it just came down. It's closed negatively. Actually, if it is also not moving, exit. If it is crossing this level, then there is a high chance of 200. If it is not moving, exit also. Uh, it was also today early sessions. It was moving up. Anyway, we'll wait for to hit our target. It is in this area, it is consolidating. I don't know whether it will come down again or it's move here. I'm not advising averaging or anything at the moment. If you get a clear direction, then only we will add more. If it is positive, then add more to target here. Good. So in the higher level, I advise you not to take this trade actually. It is in the risk reward is not that good. It is highly extended also. So I'm not sure. It was a self-suggestion. Yeah, you can bring the stop loss to this area. If it is moving higher, exit or otherwise, you can make it target of this area. I will also, okay, good. I still believe it will reach to 38 level. It is a good setup still. It was very positive also, 3%. But I don't know, unfortunately, this came down here. Overall trend, we can check how's the overall trend of the market. That may be the reason. Yeah, it's just it was negatively closed. That may be the reason for anyway. All things are very extended. That's the reason I'm discussing some sell stocks also. Dow Jones is also going down. Anyway, yeah, last one of the video I wrote is a good sector. There's a high chance to hear. Yeah, if it is come to here, definitely a buy with a small stop loss. Okay, we'll discuss the indexes and commodity stocks when there is a good setup. Also, new stocks I added is Tesla. Tesla, this triangle which is breakout, this trend line is breakout. So there is a high chance to reach this level. So new stock is Tesla. This is a good setup with stop loss. You can put here stop loss and there's a chance to move here. But the risk reward is not that much good because of the elongation and this setup is a high chance to break out. Meta, it also I think it is close to all time high, means close to this high 52 high and this area it is consolidating. It's breakdown, then there's a chance to reach here. If it's move up, there is a high chance to move also. So risk reward is not good. If you can take a small portion and see how it is working, or then you can add more. It's a good reward risk reward setup. Put a stop loss here. You can move. So 1:3, definitely a good trade. This is a Johnson control. Then other stocks are just looking for the buy Urban Outfits. Um, it is good setup. If it is, you can put a stop loss here, and if it's more close here, that's a definitely 85 level. So watch. It is keeping your watch list. TMS, I discussed this stock in my Telegram channel, but it was like Henry, it was 1.59 up today, but still, it just looks like a good setup. If there is a breakout, then it is looks like a 264 level. Just keep in your watch list. Baba was my plan was by here. will move here, but it is move here. If it is close here, it is an exit. CCL today was positive. It's a very bullish stock. That's one of the concern to short this type of stocks. If it is very abrupt movement to here, so keep stop loss here. If it stop loss hit, exit. So the stock, I should discuss it before that, it came 20, 34%. It was good profit stock. And today also around 5%. This is one stock I am thinking to short. So you can start around this area if you get, and you can put a stop loss here and make it hard stop here. This so shorting good risk reward at the moment I am seeing. One stock is E plus also. If it is very lucky, if it is didn't cross here, then that's a chance to this level. Then it's a good risk reward setups. Really, I don't advise to short this time because it's already moved here. There's a chance to move this stock to this level, but if you just come to fill the gaps or something happen, then it's a stop loss. You can put a stop loss here if you are eager to buy, and exit if you hit the stop loss, then you can sell over this area. There's a high chance to come this area. Teams, I think already discussed it is moving down. RSI new stocks I added. I'm not sure but because it is highly bullish. So risk is reward is maybe good. Uh, Put a stop loss here, target here. It's also LZ legal zoom. It's risk reward is good if you short, but it is also breakout after the result. So very careful. But if you are very lucky, there's a high chance to comes to this area, then your profit will be very high. Okay, there are some other stocks in the watch list. These are not for the trading, but I will give a detailed description of this stock for long term. Similarity, Mercado Libre, and Infusions, and Gendex Holdings, and EA Sports. So sports is for long term, but it is broken all time high. Even this type of stocks we discuss. Um, Trade carefully for the stop loss. Always think of your risk reward. Always keep in mind in the risk. That's a very important. Psychology is the important thing is the trading. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.